गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्चरणम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Ladies and gentlemen, the most important segment of this evening soil, it's celebration time, celebration of the 80th birthday of our most honored, most revered, the living legend, the great connoisseur of music, Pandit Vijay Kichlu. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the time to rejoice, to celebrate, to congratulate. Indeed, it's a matter of great honor, pride. We feel deeply humbled, honored, and deeply grateful in being given this wonderful opportunity to honor and felicitate Pandit Vijay Kichlu.
And celebrating Pandit Vijay Kichlu's entry into the 80s Club is Indo-Occidental Symbiosis. The chairman, Sri Shobhik Dasgupta, presents him with flowers, and then of course a garland which would indeed need a few people to carry it. After this, the garlanding of Pandit Vijay Kichlu. But of course, it is a weighty affair. Very, very weighty indeed.
We invite all members of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis to please come on the dais. We invite each and every member to be present here on this momentous occasion of the 80th birthday celebrations of Pandit Vijay Kichlu.
And there is more to follow. Can we request the IOS chairperson to now present Pandit Vijay Kichlu with a little gift on behalf of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis. ধন্যবাদ। আমার মনে হয় আমাদের সাংবাদিক বন্ধুরা এই অসাধারণ মুহূর্তের দৃশ্যের ছবি পেয়েছেন। এবারে একটি সোনার চেন
বিভিন্ন স্মারক উপহার প্রদান করা হচ্ছে শ্রদ্ধেয় বিজয় কিচলুকে। Ladies and gentlemen, mementos are being presented by the chairperson of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis, Sri Shobhik Dasgupta, the man who has made it all possible. The trendsetter, one who has totally revolutionized the concept of musical concerts in Bengal. Now, a bouquet is being presented to Pandit Vijay Kichlu.
শ্রী আনন্দ গোপাল বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তিনি পুষ্পস্তবক দিলেন পণ্ডিত বিজয় কিচলুকে। এবারে ইন্ডো অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিসের তরফ থেকে ফুল এবং মিষ্টি প্রদান।
Indo-Occidental Symbiosis-এর সকল সদস্যদের অনুরোধ, আপনারা অনুগ্রহ করে মঞ্চে আসুন। আপনারা পণ্ডিত বিজয় কিচলুর পাশে এমন একটি স্মরণীয় মুহূর্তে শ্রীমতী পূর্ণিমা চৌধুরী পুষ্পস্তবক প্রদান করে তার শ্রদ্ধার্ঘ্য নিবেদন করছেন পণ্ডিত বিজয় কিচলুকে। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন ইন্ডো-অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিসের সমস্ত সদস্যরা যারা এমন অসম্ভবকে সম্ভব করেছেন, এমন একটি স্মরণীয় মুহূর্ত তৈরি করেছেন, তারা সকলেই রয়েছেন মঞ্চে। এবারে আমি শ্রী শৌভিক দাশগুপ্তকে কিছু বলার জন্য অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি। তার বক্তব্য রাখার আগে অনুরোধ জানাবো শৌভিক দাশগুপ্তকে ইন্ডো-অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিসের ক্যালেন্ডারটি আনুষ্ঠানিক প্রকাশের জন্য। Ladies and gentlemen, the calendar of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis will now be launched by the Chairman and Managing Director, Sri Shobhik Dasgupta.
ইন্ডো-অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিস সারা বছর ধরে যে অনুষ্ঠান করেন সেই অনুষ্ঠানেরই দিনপঞ্জিকায় তার স্থান পেয়েছেন এবং 12 জন অসাধারণ সঙ্গীত শিল্পী তাদের ছবি সম্বলিত এই ক্যালেন্ডার নাম হচ্ছে লেজেন্ডস। পরবর্তীকালে নিশ্চয়ই আরও সাংগীতিক এইরকম মানুষদের নিয়ে ভবিষ্যতেও দিনপঞ্জিকার পরিকল্পনা রয়েছে। এইবারে তাহলে ক্যালেন্ডারটি যদি একটু খুলে দেখানো যায়, প্রত্যেক শিল্পীর জন্মদিন অনুযায়ী, জন্ম মাস অনুযায়ী তাদের ছবি আমরা ক্যালেন্ডারে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। আর সেই সঙ্গে ইন্ডো-অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিস তারা সংস্কৃতির ক্ষেত্রে যে বিপ্লব ঘটিয়েছেন তারও কিছু ছোট ছোট আভাস। এই সূত্রে আপনাদের বলে দিই, আগামী জানুয়ারি, ফেব্রুয়ারি এবং মার্চ মাসে ইন্ডো-অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিস করতে চলেছেন অসাধারণ কিছু নিবেদন। জানুয়ারির 10 তারিখ ইন্ডো-অক্সিডেন্টাল সিম্বিওসিসের জন্মদিনে থাকছে শেখর সেনের নিবেদিত তার একক পরিবেশনা, যেটি ভক্ত কবিরের জীবন অবলম্বনে। On the 12th of January, on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, once again Shekhar Sen would be making a one-man presentation on Swami Vivekananda's life. In the month of February, there would be the Classical Dance Festival. In March, the much-awaited dance dramas of Tagore. And in March, once again, Indo-Occidental Symbiosis would be traveling to Delhi. And now, of course, the chairman would like to express his wishes to Pandit Vijay Kichlu.
Respected guests and members of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis and Sangit Ashram, we are happy and honored to have an opportunity to celebrate the 80th birth anniversary of Master Pandit Vijay Kichlu ji. Pandit ji did not take music as a profession, but he had undeterred passion for music. He is an erudite musician of Agra Gharana. As an executive director of Sangeet Research Academy, he totally devoted himself to the propagation and preservation of Hindustani classical music. His untiring effort in the shape of lecture demonstration, compact workshops, and his unique concepts, music of wheels, have not only created the perfect ambience of Hindustani classical music, but also fascinated the music lovers across the world. Pandit ji is regarded as one of the icons of music for his manifold contributions for popularizing our Hindustani classical music. We are delighted to say that Pandit ji had kindly accepted Lifetime Achievement Award from us on the 5th of March 2010. We are also immensely grateful to the celebrities participating in the musical conference organized by us. On this auspicious occasion, we extend our gratitude to Pandit ji and pray to God for happiness and for the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sri Shobhik Dashgupta, Chairman and Managing Director of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis. Ladies and gentlemen, এবারে সেই আনন্দ ঘন মুহূর্ত গর্বের মুহূর্ত সমাগত. The cake cutting ceremony would be held, ladies and gentlemen. But before that, I would like to call on to the dais a very special person, a long friend, a very close friend and a long time associate of Pandit Vijay Kichlu. We have amongst us this evening Sri Suresh Neotia. May I have the privilege of inviting him onto the dais. Mr. Suresh Neotia.
I want to offer pranam on behalf of my family before I say anything. As a token of our esteem, and on behalf of all those who are present here, I want to honor Pandit ji with a shawl on behalf of all of you. By giving me this opportunity, he has truly honored me. I have the permission. Vijay Bhai's blessing is with our family for over 40 years. I didn't know him till 1970. I knew about him, but didn't know him personally. He introduced our family to classical music. It is because of his inspiration that my Bhabi, sister-in-law Bimla Poddar, started hosting Gulab Badi at our home. Girija Devi's blessing, Vijay Bhai's inspiration. In 1975 or 73, we started hosting Gulab Badi, which, with the good wishes of all those who come, has become an event in the musical calendar of the city. So many great artists have said such things about Vijay Bhai that if I say anything more, I'll belittle myself. I only want to say one thing. which has not been said by anyone. Here is one man who is an ustad, a mentor, a guru, and a promoter, and in the service of music, all rolled into one. Is there any other artist who has contributed to the cause of music by spreading the awareness of music in such a way that has touched the lives of thousands of people across India, I don't know about the world, and in Calcutta? Today, is there a musician, or in the country, is there a musician who has not been touched by Vijay Bhai? It's a great opportunity that he has given to all of us. Such great artists, Kumar Bose, Ustad Rashid Khan, Ustad Zakir Hussain, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, coming to perform on one single evening. It's a tribute to Pandit Vijay Kichlu. And it's an opportunity of a lifetime for all of us. I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Of course, as Sri Suresh Neotia ji has said, that the lives of many musicians have been touched by Pandit Vijay Kichlu, but none more so than Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia seated there, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, and Ustad Zakir Hussain. Can we have all three here on the stage? And I'm sure all three of them would only have words of love and appreciation for Pandit Vijay Kichlu. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, and surely Ustad Zakir Hussain would also be joining them. Can we request